Go.
Hi, this is number 7 of improving your mental health. Now, I was talking to Natalie, about vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is important because it helps the uptake of iron. You see, and iron's mainly iron. I think it's more likely got to do with proteins. So I mean, say you eat red meat. If there's no uptake of, there's no vitamin C. There's no uptake. Well, there may be an uptake of iron, but vitamin C helps the uptake of iron into your cells or through the bloodstream, probably through your stomach into your blood, and then pumped through your system or something. So what I did was I squeezed a lemon into a cup, no sugar whatsoever. If you want to add honey, you can, but I simply no sugar in the morning. You see, especially if you take vitamins like vitamins, it's good to get it. Because this program years ago said, like, if you're taking vitamins, if you drink lemon juice,
lemon water.
Well, lemon water, yeah. You squeeze lemon into water, and But I mean, I'm just saying, if you drink lemon water, it sort of releases that. It kind of helps that your liver get rid of it, get rid of any sort of things in your liver. But the thing is lemon juice itself is acidic. It's acidity. Acidity is, I think, the same as your stomach acid. So it's very interesting. Of course, if you look at vinegar, that's very much more stronger than acidity. I mean, it's an acid, right? Vinegar is an acid, and lemons have acid in them as well, acidic acid. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is, so it's uptake of iron, right? So you put a lemon and some lemon juice in the morning, you drink it. It kind of brings iron to your muscles or wherever you need it anyway. The other thing is protein. Now, protein is a very important thing. Now, bits of protein, parts of protein are called amino acids. Yeah, amino acids. They're simply small little portions of, and these proteins, they go into a lot of forms. Hormones are proteins. Antibodies are proteins. Like in number, I think it was 5 or 4. Oh, anyway, the one I did there on antibodies and immune function. Anyway, so proteins are hormones, antibodies. There's a whole wide range of things. Your body's constantly making it in the chemical basis of the body. It's constantly making and producing things to keep your body running. You gotta add things to it that are healthy in order for it to produce things, even genetically replacing cells, right? And the genetic structure in cells. So you're constantly getting rid of old things that are broken down and replacing new things. Now, the old things go through your system and are passed out, right? I'm not going to go into that, but I'm just saying, so they're constantly rebuilding, and that's got a lot to do with proteins. But proteins are part of the body. Now, fats and stuff. Now, of course, every cell in the body, the bilipid layer. If you look at the bilipid layer, that bilipid layer is part of basically the outside of the cell, right? It's got 2 layers of basically fat. So the body, every cell in the body probably has got a bilipid layer. I'm sure of it. And if every cell in the body has a bilipid layer, fat is an important thing you need in your diet. You don't have fat. Everybody says fat's bad. No, there's good fats and bad fats, they say. But I mean, fat's much better than a lot of other things, right?
It's the sugar.
It's a lot better than sugar too. Now, the thing what I was thinking was, years ago, was that sugar itself, is the cause of calcium buildup. I thought possibly could sugar be the cause of calcium buildup in the arteries now. So I was thinking, could possibly be, maybe somehow. there's some sort of chemical reaction between sugar. Well, this is just a theory. Some sort of chemical reaction between fat and maybe possibly calcium. I don't know, but fat and sugar to make it sort of bond to your sort of arteries or whatever. I'm not sure. I've never been into cardiology, but I mean, yeah, it's just something I was thinking about. Now the other thing was to do with proteins. Yeah, you know, a lot of functions in the body, you know, got to do with proteins and all sorts of things. So, you know, a glass of lemon juice, you know, and
Pause it. There you go.
anyway, the other thing I was saying was that you know, I was reading in this physiology book quite some years ago. It said that fat gives you the most energy, you know, compared to protein, carbohydrates, and going back. It's sort of a slow burning energy. So I said, well, that's pretty good. But then, you know, I didn't even know that before that, years ago anyway. But the thing was, you know, to do with sugar, you know, if you take a medication that gains you weight, then who knows what the chemical composition, it can be the chemical composition, you know, like you look at lithium, it's just a salt, right? Lithium's very close to sodium, so lithium's a salt in a sense, right? And then you look at other ones, well, you don't know what the chemical composition could be. It could be a sugar, or it could be some sort of amino acid, who knows? These medications, you gotta look at the sort of chemical composition, the biochemistry of it, say, well, what family does that go into, and then kind of figure out how they work these things. But what I'm trying to say is, you know, if you got medication that'll gain weight, then it's best to cut out sugar. Thanks.